Hi guys, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up up. Hope you're all keeping safe in this time. So while we are still in quarantine, I want to take the time to help beginners to feel more confident about their ability to braid. So I am going back to basics with all moms in quarantine right now with their little ones. It's the perfect time to practice. So a few moms on my social media pages wanted me to go into more details with the feed-in braid. So first of all, start thinking about how thick you want your braids to look. If you're using this much hair, start separating them. Start off small and then make them thicker as you go along. So the first piece all depends on how much hair you're starting to grab at the hairline. So always make your first piece a lot less than the amount of natural hair you're grabbing to begin with, so that whatever amount of hair you're grabbing to begin with, continue grabbing the same amount after feeding in each piece of extension. Notice how thicker your braid is getting, and this is the reason why we have to add in a thicker piece of extension as we go along so that we can maintain the balance. So it will get uncomfortable as we go further because we have a lot more here to manage, so we have to adjust our gripping techniques. So work with the position that feels more comfortable, but try not to lose your grip. Try to keep a firm grip throughout the process. It can feel painful if your hands aren't used to it, but practice becomes more perfect and comfortable. Now as you get to the ending, maintain your grip and reposition your hands like this, maintaining a firm grip as you go along. So I hope this was much more helpful than my last video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and follow my social media accounts to stay updated and start communicating with me about your experiences with applying my techniques. My social media account links are attached to this channel, or alternatively, you can click the About button to get the links. Thank you guys, and stay tuned for more to come.